this is a question from 0580 Feb March 2020. The table shows some values for y is equal to 2x cubed minus 4x square plus 3. And the values for x are given over here, and we have to find out what will be y. So we are going to use calculator over here, as it is a calculator paper. Y is equal to 2x cubed minus 4x square plus 3. So when x is 0, 2x cubed minus 4x square will become 0 and y will be equal to 3. Similarly, when x is equal to 0.5, we are going to use calculator and use the value as 2 times 0.5 cube minus 4 times 0.5 square plus 3. It gives us as 2.25. Similarly, when x is equal to 1 cube is 1 times 2 will be 2 minus 4 plus 3, 2 plus 3 5 minus 4 is 1. So this is the required answer. We do have one more part here. On the grid, draw the graph for y is equal to 2x cube minus 4x square plus 3 for the values of x provided minus 1 to 2. So we do have points over here. When x is minus 1, y is minus 3. When x is minus 0.5, y is 1.75, and so on. So let us just plot these points. So these are the plotted points. When x is negative 1, y is negative 3. When x is 0, y is 3. When x is 0.5, y is 2.25, and so on. So the points shown here are this blue dots all. We have to draw the graph for this. So just see here once. When x is negative 1, y is negative 3. When x is negative 0.5, y is 1.75. When x is 0, y is 3, and so on. So here we have to draw one freehand curve joining these all points, and that will be the required graph. So this is the overall graph. I will just show you the look. So from here we are going to join each and every point, and the graph will be kind of like this. Now there is a third part, and which is nothing but use your graph to solve this equation, and which is equal to 1.5. So see here, this is nothing but y is equal to 2x cubed minus 4x square plus 3. So now what is y given over here? 1.5. So on your graph we have to see where is y is equal to 1.5. So this is graph, and this is y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 1.5 will be this point. So from this point, whenever we will join this point, we are going to draw a line that will be y is equal to 1.5 line. So let us draw a line. Y is equal to 1.5. So this is that line, the red line. Y is equal to 1.5. Now wherever this line is going to touch to our graph, those all points will be the values of x. So let us just check the values. So the values are these all. This is the first row. I will just change the color here. Okay, so the first value is this. X is equal to this value. Then next is this. X is equal to this, and another value is x is equal to this. So we can do one thing here. We can draw a dotted line down and check with the obtaining results. So I'll just draw it once, and then we will note down the values. This is how to solve. So the required values are, this is negative 1, this is 0, so this is 0.5, 0.55. So this point is 0.55. Then the next point is this. This is 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 8, and this is x is equal to, this is 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. So the three values are x is equal to 0.55, 0.8 and 1.8. So this is the required solution.